Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube with myself, Graham Lee, and this is a little advert really, just to tell you a couple of things. I do run the Balloon Forum, which is balloonchat.co.uk. Over there there's over 120 step-by-step tutorials if you'd like to have a look. We've got all the tutorials up on BalloonTube to have a look at. And if you are in the UK and would like to purchase some balloons, we do have an online shop, which is balloonartwholesale.co.uk. Hopefully that'll be coming up here, and hopefully Balloon Chat's come up as well for the details there. And if you would like to support us a little bit, that would be very much appreciated to keep the BalloonTube running, and also to keep Balloon Chat online as well. And so I've signed up to buy me a coffee /myballoonart. And there you can, if you wish, buy us a coffee or two, and it helps us to keep the tutorials going. So that's the end of the advert, and here we go with the main feature for this month. So it's bye from me, cheerio, here comes the main feature. Quick Graham, get out of it, bye. Welcome along to BalloonTube, and today we're going to do the butterfly. All right, I'm not going to do the artwork live. I'll zoom in on that. So here we go. I'll zoom in again at the end as well. So hopefully you can see it there. You know, I'm not great at the artwork, and live on camera I'm certainly not. So anyway, here we go then. And oh, if you could hit the subscribe or like button, that'd be great. So you need a 5 fingers uninflated. All right, squeeze the air, and then I do 2 3-finger fold, pinch twist, sorry, not fold twist. So the knot goes around the second twist, and then I get the knot and one of the bubbles, twist it around, and you end up with 2 quite large pinch twists. Alright, squeeze the air, and then you need a 5-finger fold twist. 5-finger fold twist. You need 2 of those, so squeeze the air again. Match them up, so they're about the same, and I think I might be about that. 2 5-finger fold twists. You now need a 4-finger bubble, another 4-finger bubble, and the second twist goes back into the 2 large pinch twists. You then need another 4-finger bubble, and your last 4-finger bubble. Okay, and again this twist goes back into the 2 large pinch twists. Around a couple of times. So you need 1 pinch twist. Oh, it was a bit squeaky there, wasn't it? So you need 1 pinch twist at the front and 1 at the back. So there we go. Should end up looking a bit like this. Yeah, that should end up looking like that. And then I've got on mine, it's probably about between a 5 and a 6-finger bubble there. Alright, so you now need a 160, and I was looking around, where did I put it? Here it is. And you need 6 fingers uninflated. Alright, if you're right, this was Caribbean blue, and I'm doing wildberry. Alright, so the knot goes around the large pinch twist. Put that round a couple of times, that's nice and secure. Alright, squeeze the air, and you need about a 5-finger bubble and another 5-finger bubble. So you've got 2 5-finger bubbles there, and this second one goes around it all goes around the pinch twist now. Around. And then those 2 5-finger bubbles go inside the 5-finger fold twist. And it looks like this. So do the same on the other side, squeeze the air, 5-finger bubble, squeeze it again in the air, and a 5-finger bubble, and then this twist goes around the 2 pinch twist. Wrap it around a couple of times, make sure it's nice and secure. And then put these two 5-finger bubbles through the other wing folds. They're looking like this. And then the rest of the 160 goes around on the outside of those two 4-finger bubbles for the lower part of the wing. So just squeeze the air, bring that around, wrap it around, make it a snug fit. Right. Just up down the 2 pitch twists. And then we're going to do exactly the same on the last 2 over there. Another snug fit. There we go. And then to finish off, you need, straighten out a bit, you need a 2-finger bubble which you can put into a pinch twist just underneath. Here we go. Just on this section here. Right? There we go. It just helps it all to sit nicer. A 2-finger bubble, and you could deflate this in your favourite method. Oh, I've got my scissors. Oh, there you go. And then just wrap that around under the 3-finger fold twist of the 260. There. Get rid of the excess. So, there it is. They should be like this. If you was going to draw the face on here, I have this pinch twist going horizontally, and I have the pinch twist at the back going vertically. Alright. There we are. And then for his antenna, we do a 260. Alright, I've got a 3-finger bubble here. 3-finger bubble, I'll put 2 fingers up. That's 3-finger bubble. And I've got about 4 fingers uninflated here. Alright. And then at this end, I push the air down and I tie another knot at this end. So, because if you've got a knot in this antenna, you might as well have one on the other one for symmetry. And then I cut off the excess. Cut off the excess here. Alright, and then you've got to get the one of the bubbles to the other end. Alright, so just split it in half, and then I just weakened this section here. This is split in half. You hold it here and you squeeze there, and that goes up to there. Now you have to hold it in the centre, otherwise the air pressure here wants to go back. So make sure they're about the same size. You keep hold of that. And then you wrap this around your 350, your 260 3-finger fold pinch twist. You're like, I was doing really, isn't it? There we go. That round there, just run round this side. There we go. Now I've got one, probably I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but one is slightly longer than the other. So the one that's slightly longer, I will get hold of it and wrap that once more around the 260 pinch twist. Yeah, got it like that side. And that's just to make them a similar size. There we go. And you can just slightly adjust it. So that's your butterfly, and I'm not doing the artwork live, I'm afraid, so I'm going to zoom in so you can have a look at it. Alright, there we go. I'll zoom in slowly, so hopefully you can see it there. And that. Even on this one, I've got the eyelashes a bit wonky, haven't I? But I put the edding marker on as well, and also sometimes put the, or sometimes I always do, I put the red in for his mouth and that. Alright, so there we go, and here's what we made. So thanks for watching, and the butterflies, I was going to say they're going to fly off, but they're not, just going to drop out the screen, aren't they? So cheerio from the butterflies, and it's cheerio from me. Bye, thanks.